Nama kuat kalau kanlong tu bah. Suam kan niap.
Kiri pop sudah. Himdan hi ka boarding ban ai yangi.
Suam mem ta. Ngali ngatieng bat mai cika bodum. Ban ngam kuat ban niap bak cing dum.
Himdan la apo setleo pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
UMLE ka UDP na clear constituency bakar men shilla uloong. Baka Jinglong Jingman harilum Jaiñtia khamtam ha East Jaiñtia district kami Ïahap Satia baka jing terwa banti ya udoyong kat kum ko open cast mining ha ka jing kram kilap thai ku bor uba shillau lo ongru bagi tu ki blayo license kitib ha bar kum baka long menta ki pat ba ha East Jaiñtia kim ba yo Satia ya guru kom ti doyong da ka juk start science wala ki shania teli ya ka ki ka kamai jongki ha udoyong.
There are many kinds of scientific. Scientific, it doesn't mean only for open cast. Scientific, it even meant for this thing, the underground mining also. The technology, what we have been used all those days, that also, though not 100% scientifically has been done, but it is some science has been introduced in that also. But it's just that we need to bring it into a proper way of mining, and then especially bring the safety measures for the miners. So when you do something to protect the livelihood, especially to protect the lives of the miners, and then to extract the coal in a proper way, and then help the environment, that is scientific. It need not be only through open cast. Even the underground mining also can be done scientifically. So for this, I believe that your question is about the open cast. So yes, no doubt, open cast is quite difficult because the seam is quite very deep down. So when the depth is too high, it's next to impossible open cast. Because if I'm not mistaken, if it is within 10 meters, the depth is still feasible for open cast. But our depth is more than 10 meters, is sometimes even 100 meters. So this is not feasible for open cast mining in East Jaiñtia Hills. But still, I believe that those who have already got the license, they know the reality of it. And as of now, we have not seen that this contribute to the people.
Has the scientific mining actually started?
Yes, it's already started. Scientific in the sense, as I've said, previously, the old practice also, it is a scientific, but not 100%. But recently, a few licenses has been, given when it comes to open cast mining. So this open cast is already started. Few portion where a block, some block in East Jaiñtia Hills, 2 block or 3 block has already started. So this thing which have already started is quite difficult. Lots of challenges for the owner. So that's why we request the government and the authorities to do the needful by giving us a different way of mining. Previously, they call what we have done. They call it a butthole mining. Yes, when we look into different arc, that a few changes need to be done, and the same way of mining if can be introduced, where we can call it underground mining. So I remember that we used to talk about tunnel mining. Even that also is not tunnel mining. Also, it has a different term. So for us, the most feasible mining is the underground. So for this, we need to find out, and we need expert to give us the suggestion so that we can prepare that what needs to be done, so that the government will give us the the rights to go about this thing, to go ahead with the underground mining. So I believe that the day will come. No, but the government, what they have promised, they delivered. Because why I say this, a few person, they already got a license for open cast mining. But after they got the license, then we realized this is not feasible. The government says that they will do the needful, and we have seen They even give a license to few, and some of the applicant, their paperwork is still on processing. So those 3-4 who already got the license, after they start, then we realize this could not be happening. It might not be possible in East Jaiñtia Hills and a different part of the state. So that's why we have a different mind now. After realizing this, that we should try something different, which is feasible in our area. So it might be feasible in different areas of the state, but when it comes to East Jaiñtia Hills, this is not feasible. And we have to try the alternative and different way of mining. And the best way, after discussing with many, we come into a solution that underground mining is the best, and with a few measure steps needs to be taken so that the safety of the miners has to be taken care, and then treatment of water, and then protect the environment. That is what we need to do.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.